Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello students, welcome to Swayam Prabha. The course title is Principles of Marketing. The lecture title is Developments in Marketing Part 2, Module 15, Lecture 2. I am Dr. Shoma Sengupta, Associate Professor Commerce, Kamala Nehru College, University of Delhi. In this lecture, we will discuss digital marketing concept, tools and issues. Concept of digital marketing. Now you know, since a decade we are talking about online marketing, and now many other tools have been added and we are now calling it digital marketing. So digital marketing is defined as a marketing approach that primarily relies on the internet to connect with the target audience through various digital media channels and platforms. It is used to reach the consumers through internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, digital channels such as content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, mobile marketing, and so on. An average user consumes content via different media like television, computer, tablet, smartphone, radio, and other traditional media. Digital marketing has allowed brands to stay relevant by making themselves visible through different channels and touch points. This constant exposure to various types of media has led to information overload, further complicating the buyer's journey. But with a click, you can buy things. You are visiting one site and it is hyperlinked to some other, and you are opening one app and you find advertisement of another app. So sometimes it disturbs you, but sometimes it can be very helpful if you are intending to buying a particular product. Marketers use traditional channels as well as digital channels. So it is a kind of a brick and click model. So in physical world also the product may be available, and online also it is available. Guide prospects through their purchase journey. Keep in touch with their existing customers. So for these purposes, all the more digital marketing is helpful to keep in touch with the customers. Digital marketing is on the rise and includes search results, ads, email ads, and promoted tweets. This requires a new way of approaching customers and new ways of understanding how customers behave compared to traditional marketing. Internet marketing differs from digital marketing. Internet marketing is advertising that is solely on the internet. Digital marketing can take place through mobile devices, on a subway platform, in a video game, or via smartphone app. Digital marketing targets a specific segment of the customer base and is interactive. Characteristics of digital marketing. First of all, it is online. That is, use of web and digital technologies is a must. Process. Setting up of digital and online marketing platform consists of different steps like setting strategy, framing opportunity, formulating marketing strategy, designing customer experience, developing marketing program, crafting the customer interface, evaluating the results of the marketing program. So all these are involved in digital marketing. Next characteristic is that it involves exchange of information, goods and services, and of course for money. Customer relationship. It maintains lasting relationships with customers, so it is helpful in relationship marketing also. Goal satisfaction. Satisfies the goals of the seller and the buyer. Benefits of digital marketing. First, we will discuss benefits to the consumers or customers and then to the marketers. So to the customers, the benefits are, first of all, convenience. Anywhere, anytime, ordering by customers is possible from home. No need to travel and bear the traffic or congestion or parking problems. Fewer hassles are there. No need to meet the salespeople. Swift and private shopping is possible. Wide choice of products and services from all over the world is available. Information, comparative analysis to judge price, quality, etc. of different brands is possible. Then availability of remote areas also, wherever internet facility is available, you can do digital marketing. Benefits of digital marketing to marketer: low costs, less investments and overheads are there. You don't have to open your shop in an expensive place. You don't have to spend on infrastructure. No physical store is required. Affordability, level playing field for small firms. Small firms can operate in a world market and running it from a small place or home. Flexibility, add and delete products to the list, change service providers. So these things are possible in case of digital marketing. Speed, fast information access and retrieval is possible. Continuing further, sizing audience is possible. Information about number of people visited the site and their needs can be identified. Elimination of middlemen is possible. Direct link with customers. Relationship building, interactive websites, demonstration is possible. Display, attractive display on internet according to the type of target audience is possible. Digital marketing channels or tools. Now there are several tools and channels available. We will try to discuss as many as is possible. Website marketing is the first one. Website is the hub of all digital marketing activities. Very powerful channel, fast, mobile friendly and easy to use. Brands and organizations use websites to host content while using other mediums to distribute it. Most of your digital marketing activities will link back to your website, where an action is expected to take place and the conversations are tracked. Second is digital advertising. It is an umbrella term for various online advertising strategies. The typical pricing or bidding strategies for digital advertising are cost per click and cost per mille, that is per 1,000 impressions. Common formats of digital advertising are search engine marketing, that is SEM, which is possible nowadays and very popular also. Display advertising, native advertising, social media advertising and programmatic advertising. Pay per click PPC advertising, as we have discussed in the last slide also, it enables marketers to reach internet users on a number of digital platforms through paid ads like Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Show their ads to people searching for terms related to the products or services. These campaigns can segment users based on their demographic characteristics and target their particular interests or location. Next is email marketing. This is most effective channel to communicate with the target audience on an ongoing basis. It is the process of maintaining a database of cold and warm contacts and sending them email alerts about your brand, products and services. So you can find out who will be your target audience and accordingly you can send the information. Useful to build subscriber base on broad new customers, retain existing ones, promote discounts and offers and distribute content. Next is social media marketing, which is becoming very popular. Goal is brand awareness and establishing social trust, get leads or act as direct sales channel, ensures presence on the platforms or your users are spending the most time on, as we have discussed, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, where you can distribute content through both own and paid channels. Enables two-way communication where fans and followers can interact with you on your content through likes, comments, direct messages or by posting on your official pages. Another popular channel or tool is content marketing. Content is usually published on a website and then promoted through social media, email marketing, PPC campaigns, The goal is to reach potential customers through the use of content, to inform, entertain, inspire, or persuade your buyers. Tools of content marketing are blogs, ebooks, online courses, podcasts, and webinars. Search engine optimization, SEO, it acts as a jetpack for content marketing efforts, consists of on-page and off-page activities to boost your website's visibility in search engine result pages for your preferred keywords. Affiliate marketing, one of the oldest form of marketing, influencers promote other people's product and get a commission every time a sale is made through their custom link. Many well-known companies like Amazon have affiliate programs that pay out millions of dollars per month to websites that sell their products. Video marketing. There are several video marketing platforms like YouTube, Facebook videos, Instagram, and even TikTok, which is now banned in India. Lot of users turn to these videos before they make a buying decision to learn something, read a review, or just to relax. Companies use these platforms to run a video marketing campaign for their product by paying these platforms. Smartphone marketing. Brands connect with their users on their smartphones through mobile apps, emails, mobile-friendly websites, and social media to optimize their marketing strategies and send timely messages. SMS messaging. SMS or text messages are used by firms to send information about their latest promotions or giving opportunities to willing customers. Political candidates, they run campaigns through SMS, allows customers to directly pay or give via text message also. That is also possible. Online public relations, earned or paid media can be used when a news mentions your brand through their stories, interviews, and so on. That is online public relations. Product reviews by customers and bloggers and influencers mentioning your brand. So this is online public relations. Conversational artificial intelligence. Now AI is now becoming very popular tool. This results to rise of AI technologies as the adoption of voice searches, chatbots, and digital assistants become prevalent. Conversational AI becomes vital to digital marketing. Web analytics, this is the last one. It is the practice of collecting, measuring, analyzing, and reporting data. This is commonly tracked through Google Analytics. The data collected could be quantitative or qualitative. Web analytics helps marketers understand the sources of traffic, what's working, what's not, and return on investment, and how they can enhance their digital marketing efforts. Other online marketing channels. One is electronic storefront. This is very important when you are doing business online. Like in the physical world, the stores, they decorate themselves with display material, and those who are window shoppers, they just see those products on the display and get motivated or attracted, and then they enter the store and buy certain products. Likewise, in case of website, the company has to design the storefront in such a way that it attracts the visitor and motivates them to buy the product. Now, electronic storefront is the homepage of the company on the internet. It offers a wide variety of information to the users. Users can obtain this information anytime from anywhere. Company can open their own store on the internet, or it can buy location on a commercial online service. Companies update the storefront regularly and invite prospects through emails and ads to view the storefront. Participating in forums, news groups, and bulletin boards for commercial purposes. Forums are discussion groups located on commercial online services which operate as a conference room for real-time chatting, libraries, news flashes. News groups are the internet version of forums where internet can they can participate without subscribing. The users can participate without subscribing. Bulletin boards are specialized online services that center on a specific topic. Next is placing advertisements online, that we have discussed earlier also, but it is a repetition here. Major commercial online services offer ad sections for listing classifieds, ads in news bulletins, newspapers, ads on online billboards. Using email, that we have discussed, encourages prospects and customers to send questions, suggestions, and complaints. Prompt response is possible. Send information to prospective customers. Digital marketing challenges. First, technological and channel choices is a problem. Understanding the working of digital channels, understanding usage of these channels by the receivers, channel selection and deciding ways to use these channels to effectively market their products or services. Difficulty of capturing receivers' attention, competing advertisements, challenge of capturing and using data effectively. Digital marketers also find it challenging to analyze the vast data captured. Creating a deeper understanding of consumer behavior is also difficult. How to exploit this information in new marketing efforts? So this is also a challenge. From challenges to the next one, that is digital marketing issues. These are also in a way challenges for the digital marketer. Digital marketing problems significantly affect overall traffic and have a negative impact on customer behavior on the website. So first is choosing a bad platform for a website. Frequent outrage or slow page loading will make the visitors to leave and not to come back. Consider all the options and functionalities the platform can offer while selecting it. Once resources are invested into the website, it will not be possible to exchange it for a different one. Outdated content. Lack of up-to-date content causes stagnation or drop in traffic, affects the customer behavior as they stop returning to your website as nothing changes on it. It leads to reduction in conversion rate and a drop in sales for e-commerce sites. Next issue is non-use of latest trends. Today, technological trends are changing extremely fast. New innovations, plugins, elements, and tools are emerging. Track all the changes on the market and regularly implement innovations in order to be able to run successful business economies or e-commerce. Poor SEO, insufficient attention to the SEO, which can be directly related to low traffic, leaving unoptimized links on the website, mistakes in renaming images, researching right keywords, lack quality content. Data is not measured and evaluated. Absence of data mining and data management. For the commercial success of the website, it is crucial to collect user data, which is then used for customer behavior analysis. Other issues are data security and online transactions safe and secure. Customers should protect password, keep PC updated, log in and log off carefully. Sellers should use firewalls and other data security measures, but for that cost escalates. Maintaining secrecy is difficult. Competitors steal away the concept and imitate the strategy. So these are some of the digital marketing issues. To summarize, we can say digital marketing is defined as a marketing approach that primarily relies on the internet to connect with the target audience through various digital media channels and platforms. Benefits of digital marketing to customers are convenience, fewer hassles, wider choice, information and availability in remote areas. Benefits of digital marketing to marketers are lower cost, affordability, flexibility, speed, sizing audience, elimination of middlemen, relationship building and better display. Digital marketing channels or tools are website marketing, digital advertising, per pay, click advertising, email marketing and so on. Digital marketing challenges are technological and channel choices, difficulty of capturing receivers' attention, challenge of capturing and using data effectively. Digital marketing issues are choosing on a bad platform for a website, outdated content, non-use of latest trends, data security and secrecy issues. Thank you, students. This was Developments in Marketing Part 2, Module 15, Lecture 2.